gases, the periodic table, noble gases stable, halogens and alkali react aggressively.
Good morning, Lake Nona, and welcome to a brand new episode of Science Spotlight. My name is Gabrielle, and today we actually encourage you to try this at home. We are going to teach you guys how to make your own lava lamp. To do this, all you need is vegetable oil, water, food dye, any clear container, and some Alka-Seltzer tablets. The first thing you're going to want to do is fill a little more than half of the clear container with vegetable oil. Fill the rest with water. Next, add a few drops of any color food dye. Because the food coloring is water-based, aka polar, it will sink to the bottom and color the water. Finally, break an Alka-Seltzer tablet into a few small pieces and drop them in the container one at a time. And now, of course, it's time for this week's quiz. The question is, what chemical trait stops all of the substances in lava lamps from mixing together? Is it A, polarity, B, flammability, C, pressure, or D, the sheer power of hatred? The answer is A, polarity. The main reason this lava lamp works is because of the scientific principle of polarity. Water is a polar molecule, meaning they have lopsided electrical charges that attracts other atoms. Oil, on the other hand, is nonpolar, meaning it does not have a positive or negative charge, so it is not attracted to water and they do not mix. The polar nature of water makes its molecules more tightly packed than those of oil, so it is more dense and sinks to the bottom of the container. The Alka-Seltzer reacts with the water to produce carbon dioxide gas bubbles. These stick to the water droplets and rise to the top of the flask because they are less dense than oil. At the top, the gas bubbles pop and escape into the air, allowing the dense water to sink back to the bottom again. We hope you enjoyed today's episode of Science Spotlight. To be honest, I died a little on the inside. Have a thrilling Thursday and stay nerdy, Lake Nona.